Hey guys, Rob from Ginger Woodworks here, and I want to just first say thank you to realtrucks.com for sending me out these Rhino Dominator running boards. I'm now going to show you the installation process. It's quick and simple. We're going to do it in under 3 minutes, so stay tuned as we get this going. And make sure you subscribe to Ginger Woodworks on YouTube here and all the rest of the social channels. So that's it. It's as easy, as simple as pie. Make sure you do both sides, obviously. Check out the realtrucks.com for the Go Rhino Dominator running boards. And stay tuned, as next we're going to be working on a new tonneau cover from realtrucks.com as well. So thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.